Ito na naman sila. Dumadalo na naman sa amin. Ilang araw kaming wala. Siguro hinahanap kami. Tapos ito oh. Siguro nakitang nandito kami. Ewan ko ano maipakain dito.
Peanut?
Yeah. Oh, my peanut.
Where'd the blackbird go? How you doing, huh? Everything okay?
Gusto mo peanut? Ito oh. Peanut there.
Thumbs up? Pose for you for a while.
Hey. Hey you. Come here. Hey.
That one's getting a better meal.
What if it all of a sudden attack me and peck me on the eyes? Look at how pointy the beak.
So it can peck in the ground. You don't like the cracker?
Go eat. You have foods on the ground. Go eat. Yung babae naghahanap doon ng mga worms. Ito yung lalaki. Mas malaki. Pero mas marites to eh, oh. Mas marites to eh. Yung isa hindi masyadong nagmamarites eh. Walang pakialam. Mas marami siyang pula sa ulo. Kaya alam mo siya yung lalaki.